guys are a patient crowd.
Hey, we're all cold and we want to dry.
I'm used to these 30-second attention spans.
Yeah, he's at 43.
Oh, is that?
Welcome to America.
Right. And no, that's fine. Part of my problem is this is so deep. Yeah, the problem that happens with getting really deep is you have these very vertical walls, and so if the drill isn't exactly on axis with that hole and you tilt it all, it starts chafing and it makes a lot of resistance. Yep. And once it gets too deep, it's very hard to manage that. Oh, I'm just gonna start over.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, once I have it going, I'll just go into off. Come on, don't break on me.
With, not have.
Here goes everybody.
I'm gonna try.
No pressure.
Come on, we don't got all day. We only have 30-second attention spans.
America.
We got smoke. We got
There
smoke.
we go. That's
Not feeling good, but it
I
might
see
make
something
it.
glowing, man.
Might do it.
Not yet.
Wow.
You gotta get a little nudge there.
Oh.
Fall down. Channel it out, huh?
Yeah.
Gravity do the work.
Yep.
Little hot spot.
Also, if my notch is not wide enough and deep enough, then my dust won't fall out and it will pile up on top of the board. And then it won't be anywhere near where all the high temperature and gases coming off of the bottom of the drill are going to be. It's all the wrong place. It's sort of like trying to light your propane stove 10 feet away with your Bic. Doesn't work. Right. Okay, let's try this.
Mona, you can tell your daddy you learned how to make fire.
What you ought to tell us about try?
Today.
There is no try. It's gonna be the dew fire.
Let's hope.
Now, try, hope. How are they a lot different? Can we go to I am?
I said that so many times and it still didn't work.
Well, you didn't believe it. Get honest with yourself.
Okay. Very loud. Okay. If that doesn't do it, I need to take a break.
Yeah, there you go. You gotta go, man.